Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys a really small haul that I did over at Michael's as well as Tuesday morning. I didn't pick up a lot, but I also wanted to come on to chit chat with you guys a bit and let you guys know about some updates and ask you a couple questions. So let me get on with the haul first. Oh, and by the way, I do have my new camera set up with my new lights and things like that. So let me know how this looks as well as the sound, and we'll just go from there, because I've been working on this for the past 2 weekends and I am still struggling a little bit with all the setup. But I just want to know how you guys are receiving it when I post this video. First, I'm going to share with you guys my haul from Michael's. I went really quickly Saturday night before they closed because I realized that the hot buys were 70% off, and then they had an additional 20% off coupon. So I really like to get my hot buys when those can be combined. So these are the Christmas papers that I picked up. I already picked up 12 by 12s over at Tuesday morning, which I'll show you in a minute. And I have no idea where these are going to go. But, you know, I had to have them. I'm sure you guys have already seen flip-throughs of these, so I'm not going to do that. But one of the 3 paper pads that I got, I haven't seen anybody do a flip-through, so I can do a quick one of that. So everybody's seen this sugar blush. It is so beautiful. I saw this on Marissa's channel, who is Creative Young Mama, and then I finally went and got it. So like I said, there's flip-throughs everywhere. Everybody's been picking this up, so I got this. And here is the second one that I picked up. Everybody's seen this one as well. It's really, really fun. There's gold foiling in here, mermaids and unicorns. You know, we all love it. This is Holiday Bash. I love the non-traditional Christmas colors. Look at how cute this is with the blue background. Love snowmen. That's one of my favorites. Snowflakes and snowmen are my favorites for the winter season. There's some 6x6 cut aparts, and there was a ton more, but I had to limit myself. At first I did pick up another paper pad that I didn't end up getting because I saw this other one, but this is the second one I picked up, Holiday Bash. And lastly, I picked up a Winter's Night. I have really been loving navy blue lately. I still have not created with it, but I plan on doing a new color scheme with navy and rose gold, which is absolutely beautiful. This one, I don't know if that's gold, or it kind of does look like rose gold, which is perfect. So let me do a quick flip through. Lots of blues, which I love. There's some tags and cut aparts. I'm sorry I didn't cut this open before this video. You can totally cut these out and use them like as an advent calendar. I love this. It kind of looks like a muted black with rose gold, like a plaid. It's really pretty. I love this like newsprint with the dark trees. There's some border strips. I really don't know what this is. Wood grain, and then on the top here there's some snowflakes. If you guys want me to do a better flip through than this, I definitely will. This says Calm and Bright with the cute little houses at the bottom. Some more bricks. Really don't know what that is. Branches. It is really cute with the snowflakes in the background, but I don't know really what that is. Here's some like hand-drawn angels. Like another, I don't know, it's like wood grain, but then it has like a keyhole right there with the blue and white trees. Here's some 6x6 cut aparts. It seems like Michaels is doing that for all their paper pads this year. This beautiful wreath on this like wood boarded background, you can definitely do something in the middle of that and frame that. Super cute. Love these houses and trees. Some ornaments on some branches. And then here is a dark blue like checkered pattern. So that is what I picked up at Michael's. Now let me share with you what I picked up at Tuesday morning. I haven't been there in a while, but I did see these snowflakes stamp from Bo Bunny. Like I said, I love snowflakes. I can never have enough. So I picked that up for $2.99. I also picked up this tin of sequins. Really, I don't know what I was thinking because I have a ton of sequins, but it was just so pretty and sparkly, I had to have it. So if you guys can see, I hope that's clear enough. And this was $1.99. I finally found the mini envelope punch board. I was so super excited. I've kind of been on the fence with this just because I don't make a lot of teeny tiny envelopes, but I'm really excited, especially for $6.99. Super excited, so I can't wait to play with that. I also found this 6x6 Bo Bunny paper pad. It's called Genevieve, and I actually did pick up the 12x12 as well because I have a project that I wanted to use this for. Recently, I did also pick up one of these sheets. It came in like a 25 pack, and it was, I believe, this one. How beautiful is that? And I used it to cover some organizing things in my craft room. And I also was able to find the Noteworthy. So it has, which of course you can't see. They did have other collections, but I was really trying to be good. Now I just dumped all this all over. Can you guys tell I've not done a video in a really long time? So it's probably just easier for me to show you like this. So super cute. I think it's going to go well with what project I'm doing. Then let me get some of this stuff out of the way because the rest, I have two more items. They're 12x12 papers. So I found this DCWV. It's the shimmer stack. And I love these colors. And it's shimmered on both sides. And I also have a project that I need some of these colors for. It's just basic colors. But you know me, I love anything shimmery. And then last but not least, like I said, I picked up the 12x12 of the Genevieve because I needed the larger size for my project, which I will share when I complete it. But the florals in here are gorgeous. I have been really into a lot of different colors this past few months. been really drawn to purples and yellows, navy. Those are some colors that I rarely work with. It's the same as the 6x6. So that is my haul from Tuesday morning and Michael's. They were fairly small. I was trying to be good because I do have the expo coming up at the beginning of next month. I also wanted to talk to you guys about a holiday series. Let me know down in the comments if you'd be interested in me doing some sort of holiday series. I would probably combine it with card making as well as some probably gift packaging, ornaments. You know, you guys know from my channel that I kind of hit the spectrum all over the place. I can do some sewing projects. I can do some knitting projects. I actually just learned how to, very slightly learned how to crochet. It's still not very comfortable for me yet, but when I did go home over the summer to Maryland, I currently live in Southern California, my mom did try to reteach me, as well as my sister, because crocheting is one thing that was not apt at. So hopefully I can get better with crocheting and be able to share that with you guys if I actually end up making anything. So let me know what you guys are interested in seeing on my channel. And I do believe I'm going to have a more strategic upload schedule. So I believe right now I'm leaning toward like Mondays and Fridays as like a weekly thing, and then any other days that I have projects that I want to share or hauls or anything like that, those will just be bonus, but at least expect videos on Mondays and Fridays. So let me know what you guys think, what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Bye everyone.